Introduction to Azure Synapse SDK. Azure Synapse SDK is a collection of libraries and tools that enable developers to create and manage Azure Synapse Analytics resources programmatically. In this guide, we will walk through the step-by-step process of using Azure Synapse SDK to create and manage Azure Synapse Analytics resources. Step 1. Install Azure Synapse SDK. To start using Azure Synapse SDK, you need to install it first. You can install it using pip or other package managers. The installation process is straightforward and does not require any additional dependencies. Step 2. Authenticate with Azure. Before you can use Azure Synapse SDK, you need to authenticate with Azure. You can authenticate using Azure Active Directory or shared key authentication. Azure Active Directory is the recommended method as it provides more security features. Step 3. Create a Synapse workspace. After authentication, you can create a Synapse workspace using Azure Synapse SDK. A Synapse workspace is the top-level resource in Azure Synapse Analytics, and it contains all the other resources such as databases and pipelines. Step 4. Create a database. Once you have created a Synapse workspace, you can create a database using Azure Synapse SDK. A database is a container that holds all the data, and it is used to store and manage data. Step 5. Create a pipeline. A pipeline is a series of activities that are executed in a specific order. You can create a pipeline using Azure Synapse SDK and add activities to it such as data ingestion and data transformation. Step 6. Deploy and manage resources. After creating the resources, you can deploy and manage them using Azure Synapse SDK. You can monitor the resources and troubleshoot any issues that arise. Best practices. When using Azure Synapse SDK, it is recommended to follow best practices such as using Azure Active Directory for authentication and monitoring the resources regularly. Additionally, it is recommended to use version control and automate the deployment process. Conclusion. In this guide, we walked through the step-by-step process of using Azure Synapse SDK to create and manage Azure Synapse Analytics resources. By following the steps and best practices outlined in this guide, you can effectively use Azure Synapse SDK to create and manage your Azure Synapse Analytics resources.